the stock exhaust on my bike. The stock exhaust on this bike was absolute. Never gonna recommend ever again. It's the worst sounding exhaust in the game. I won't lie to you, my bike does not sound like a traditional air-cooled Harley. It's liquid-cooled and it sounds a little bit off, but it still sounds pretty okay when you actually do your modifications to it. Do I hate that? A little bit. Why am I sitting backwards? But yeah, this doesn't sound like your everyday air-cooled Harley, which is pretty cool sounding. I mean, this thing sounds alright, but come on. I wanted to sound like a Harley. That's why I wanted to get a Sportster. But instead, they gave me this $12,000. Well, honestly, I don't hate the bike. I can't even say it's a piece of shit. It's $12,000 though. And, was it worth it? Iffy.